What's up, guys? Greetings from the beautiful country of Laos.
We are staying in Luang Prabang, but right now we are on a trip to the Kuang Falls, which is home actually to a bear sanctuary as well, the Sun and Moon Bear Sanctuary. So we're excited to see that, and then we're going to hike up to the waterfall. It's about 14 miles, I think about 20 kilometers away from the city of Luang Prabang.
And we got some motorbikes right here. We rented some, and then our Airbnb host gave us one to borrow as well. So we're almost there right now, about 15 minutes away, and figured we should stop and take in some of these rice paddies. Really nice.
Beautiful views along the way. Gotta focus on the road though with these motorbikes.
The roads aren't that bad, just quite a bit of potholes, but it's a pretty calm place with some really nice views along the way. Would highly recommend it if you visit. Made it.
That was fun.
That was really fun. Ooh, let's go hike now.
Right? Is it all?
Walking into the bear sanctuary portion now.
Oh, can't wait to see.
Ooh. So although they're in captivity, it's a sanctuary, so it's just helping them and preventing them from being poached. And
Alright, if you want to donate to this awesome cause, you can buy some souvenirs from the gift shop, such as a t-shirt, which is about 80,000 Lao kip, a little bit less than 10 US dollars, or you can simply donate. I was very tempted to get a shirt. They're really cute. They said free the bears on it.
we're coming up to the waterfall right now, the main attraction. And the water's supposed to be like really turquoise and blue. So when you get to the main waterfall, you can go either left or right, and it's a hike up to the top. Gives you a nice scenic viewpoint. We're almost there right now, and I think it's about a 20-minute hike.
Oh, I don't know if you can hear.
Oh yeah, the stairs are flooded.
Oh, there might be a...
Let me see this. Nice way to clean the feet off. Barefoot. Probably to the left.
Ooh, I like walking barefoot.
Do you feel your chakras balancing? So it only took about 15 minutes to get to the top. Wasn't a difficult hike at all. And one thing to note too is some of these ponds are sacred, so you can't swim in all of the little watering holes. Let's have a look at the top of the waterfall. Wow. Ah, not that bad. Can she figure the swing out? Oh. That was graceful.
Oh, so much for not getting wet.
Look at that. Aw. Bye bye, bears. Bye bye, Kuang Sea Waterfall. So we just made it back without any challenges from Kuang Sea Falls. Would highly recommend that, especially by motorbike.
It was so fun.
Yeah.
The roads really weren't that bad. A few potholes here and there, but
yeah. So
great.
if you've ridden a motorbike before,
or even if you hadn't.
Emma's first time. Thank God we made it back okay. It's gonna be pretty hard to top that waterfall. It was one of the best ones we've ever seen. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Definitely be seeing some more waterfalls soon.